Ready. It's an under power video demonstration. Leblond Makino FNC-106, new in about 83, 30 station tool changer, Fanuc 6MB control. Got 55 and an 1/8 inch by 23 and 5/8 inch table size. X-axis is 41.3, Y-axis is 23.5, 22 inches in the Z. It's a 50 taper machine with a 30 station tool changer, 20 horsepower and up to 3,500 RPM. It's really a beast. And it's got glass scales on it. So, as I say, it's a Fanuc 6MB and coolant system, 30 station. We're just doing a little video of it to demonstrate that it does run well. Just look at the size of the spindle housing. This concludes our under power video demonstration of the Leblond Makino FNC-106 CNC Vertical Machining Center.